Good morning, you all. I just cleaned up my rig and made my bed. And now I'm gonna get on the road, but I'm here at Topaz Lodge, across from Topaz Lake. So this is where I stayed last night. Quick view of the mountains. But yeah, let me check the oil because I ran it this morning, so I want to make sure that it's good. First, I need a tissue. Okay, let's see if it's good. It's actually all the way up to here. But I just had my oil changed about, I don't know, 2,000 miles ago. Wow. Yep. I double checked it. It's all the way up to like here. Oh, well, we have plenty of oil. Alright. Now it's time to get on the road. See y'all later.